Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning into my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a review and unboxing of Vera Wang Flower Princess. So if you guys want to see this, then go ahead and stay tuned. So this is what the actual box looks like. And this is the 3.4 ounce. Now this is an older perfume. This was released in 2008. My cat is scratching trying to get into my room. She's gonna have to wait. Anyway, so yeah, this perfume was released in 2008. I think the original Princess was released in 2006, and then she put out different versions of that as the years went on, and this is one of them. So let's go ahead and open it up. Now this is what the actual bottle looks like. And just like the other Princess perfumes, it does come with the detachable ring, and it does fit, so you can actually wear this if you want. And depending on how skinny your fingers are, you can also wear the crown as well. So the cap for this perfume is actually just the ring and the little crown piece that goes on top. And then you have the actual sprayer. Now on to what this perfume actually smells like. Now this is considered a floral scent. When you first spray it, you do get a lot of those florally notes. As I'm smelling this, like the first scent that you get, it almost has like a powdery scent to it. It's really floral. I'm smelling a little bit of gardenia or something, like a flower similar to that. There is a little bit of sweetness, but not too much. You really smell mostly floral on this scent, but it does smell very, very fresh. So let's go ahead and get into the actual notes of this fragrance. Now online, I really wasn't able to find too much information on the top notes of this fragrance, but the mid notes are classified as drenched orange flower petals, Moroccan rose, jasmine sunback, mimosa. And for the base notes, there's amber, precious woods, and musk. Now, I'm not really smelling too much of the woodiness in this fragrance. It just really, those florals really stand out in this fragrance. So this is definitely a floral scent. I think this is very good for summertime, and if you're someone who loves floral scents, I'm pretty sure you would really, really, really like this, because that's pretty much all you smell with it. It's not even really too musky either. I know with a lot of floral scents, that's the main thing that's kind of like at the heart that you smell once the floral scent kind of goes away, but not this. It still maintains a sweetness, but not a fruity sweetness, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the newest addition to my fragrance collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will also link the website where I got this in the description box if you guys want to try it out for yourselves. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.